Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Egg Melon Seed in Garden game of Roblox Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. You cannot get the Egg Melon Seed from the Easter seed pack. If you want to get it, you need to do crafting. Just go to this crafting table and you're going to prepare these items. You will need 4 Easter egg melon seeds and also 10 million shekels to get 1 egg melon seed. And if you want to get the Easter egg melon seed, you can go to the Easter seed shop, but it's rare, so maybe you need to wait for a little longer to buy this Easter egg melon. Once you have 4 Easter egg melon seeds, you can go to the crafting table and start crafting. Okay, just craft right here, and you need to submit the recipe. The ingredients, guys. And actually, for the egg melon seed, I've already purchased it, but I have planted the egg melon seeds in my garden. But actually, I can reclaim it, and I still need to Easter egg melon seeds to craft the egg melon seed. Okay, and that's how we can unlock the egg melon seed in the Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!